Hi, if you're confused between Java and Python, which one to choose, let me make it easy for you. Based on popularity, Python topped the chart in 2022 and its popularity is continuously increasing. According to Stack Overflow annual developer survey, Python is popular among 43.51% of developers, whereas Java is liked by only 33.4% of developers. And since Python is a lot easier to learn than Java, therefore, 58.38% of people who are learning to code like Python over 38.67% who like Java. Also, if we look at Google search trends from last year, searches for Python are more compared to searches for Java keywords. Now, which one is in more demand in the industry? Here also, according to a report, Python has approximately 2,90,432 jobs, whereas Java has only 2,40,502 jobs. This data is gathered over 8 months from October 2021 to June 2022 by analyzing 7 million developer jobs. So job opportunities in Python are slightly more than in Java. This leads to our next point, which is higher paying, Java or Python. Here also, according to Stack Overflow annual report, Python developers are getting approximately $71,000, whereas Java developers are getting approximately $64,000. So Python seems to be a clear winner based on these metrics, but it also highly depends on which field you want to go in. If you want to develop games or want a career in data analytics, AI, and machine learning, then you should definitely choose Python. But if you want to build a web-based application where security is a concern, then Java is best suited as it is more secure than Python. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and also for more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.